What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back on my channel. Today another bullish update on ARK. After I published my last video around 3 days ago, we had a secret DAO reveal event where they showed the whole roadmap, what will be coming until the end of this year and also in Q1 next year. And I want to give you some impressions on that, and therefore we jump right into the ARK announcement channel, and I highly recommend you to check this roadmap reveal out. The video is around 2.5 hours long, but if you watch it in 1.5x or 1.75x speed, you will get the information much faster. So I was blown away by this presentation. I watched it live in the secret DAO Telegram channel. This was available for all people who hold at least one legacy NFT. And if we take a look what will be coming in the next quarters of the year, we can see that in Q2, for example, they have a fiat on-ramp. So you will be able to swap your US dollars, your Canadian dollars, your Australian dollars directly into crypto, directly into the ARK ROI debt. Then they will have a crypto payments option. They will have their own credit card where no KYC is needed. They will have a decentralized VPN application, and they will do strategic investments in all of their own products. Then in Q3, as you can see here, there will be a migration over to the Polygon proof of stake chain and maybe also to the Polygon ZK EVM. I already did an airdrop guide about the Polygon ZK EVM. You want to watch this video. And I think the Ethereum layer 2s will be the future of crypto and also the most important ones to pay attention in the next bull run. And that's why I don't want to repeat myself, but again, very, very bullish news. Then they will reveal their new stablecoin, their gold-pegged stablecoin, which will be called ARKG. They will have their automated market maker and their own DEX, and they will have a crypto banking option. So what they are building here is an all-in-one crypto banking platform with high yields in this ROI debt. And after all these steps are done, they will probably have their own blockchain in Q1 of next year. And at this point, I want to get into some DMs I got over the last couple days and weeks since I present the ARK project on my channel. Most of the people say this project is not sustainable. Now, give me a second. Because, as you can see in the background, all these new products will generate revenue, will generate fees, which will partially feed back into the ecosystem, into the ROI debt to sustain the ROI debt. Through the fiat on-ramp, we have transaction fees. Through the decentralized VPN service, we have subscription fees. Through the exchanges and the automated market maker, we get exchange fees. And all this, if we put these puzzle pieces together, will be a massive ecosystem. So the ROI debt was just their first step for all of this. And now they are moving on. They are creating new products, new use cases. And what in my opinion will happen, because there was also one in this secret DAO presentation who had a question in the end. So how should this all be sustainable if the people get around 1% daily rewards? And in my opinion, all these services will be payable through the ARK token, which gives the token a lot of new utility. But that's just speculation. They didn't announce that, and all the newer people who get aware of this ecosystem will probably jump into the ROI debt, earn their yield, and through this yield they can purchase all these services. Again, that's how I think everything of this will play out, but let's see. We will get these announcements in the future. I'm pretty sure about that, and you will see it on my channel. Now for the second part of the video, we want to get into my personal statistics and jump over on the ROI debt. As you can see, if I switch this over to US dollars, I'm at a principal balance of 13,000 BUSD, which generate me around 250 BUSD a day. I do 2 payouts a week because I follow the 5-2 strategy with my legacy NFT. That basically means I get around 500 BUSD every single week from this ROI debt. I'm ROI'd, I'm already 50% in profit. I'm building second accounts. I'm also airdropping a lot of ARK tokens over to the team. As you can see here, I already sent 77 ARK tokens, which should be around 450 US dollars. And this, of course, only to team members. So if you want to get involved, you just need BUSD or BNB. Click on the first link in the video description. This will lead you to the swap page, and then you just swap your BUSD or BNB into ARK token. These will be deposited right into the wallet. and you will start earning 2% daily. You get these 2% until you reach your ROI, or at least around that time, and then you will drop to 1% every single day. If you withdraw too much, you will drop even further. So I would suggest you keep in this green area, keep the CWR rate in this green area, and you will be completely fine and earn 1% yield on your investment here. Another thing which I wanted to mention in this video, if we take a look at the ILC reserve on the Dune dashboard, we can see that we are still on this high level. The ARK token price is still at $5.70, and it doesn't look like that the liquidity is slowing down in any way. More like the opposite is the case. More and more people jump in. Because of the presentation, there were a lot of NFT sales. As you can see here, the NFT rewards pool climbed up to around 120K right now. And the NFT is also paying around 0.5%. So for me, it's around $2.50 for my Silver Legacy NFT. I will show you that as well. I paid 1000 USDC or BUSD in the beginning for this one. On the first day I purchased this one, and I get paid out around $2.30 to $2.50 every single day from these NFTs, from this NFT rewards pool. We now are sitting at 422 NFT holders, and through this whole new utility aspect of all the new products, these NFTs will be worth even more if you want to sell them on a secondary marketplace, because this will be an option in the near future. They already announced that it will be possible to sell your NFT on the marketplace, and I believe these NFTs will be worth way more in the near future. So if you want to build a team, or also if you want to be an ARK DAO member and take part in future votes, these NFTs have a big use case. So that should do it for this video. I can just repeat, watch this presentation because there is so much bullish news and I didn't touch on everything, of course, in this video. If you have any questions or if you have opinions you want to share, write it down in the comment section or shoot me a DM. If you like today's video, it would be great if you can hit the like button. That's it. Thanks for watching, and let's get this crypto.